Welcome to DM's Decoded. We'll go straight into it today. He starts off very casual with a hey and what's up, like a normal teenage guy or normal teenage friend. And she says there's nothing much going on and that she's just tired. And here he empathizes with her, saying that he feels her too. But then he goes and asks a really odd question of her birthday. But his intention of asking her when her birthday was to actually tell her that he was going to get her something nice for her birthday. And already that gives him the image of being generous, kind, and understanding. He even says that she deserves something nice, so makes her feel more understood and special. And she obviously finds this very sweet, but she should have ended it there, because why is this stranger asking you to get you something for your birthday when first of all, you don't know who they are, and second of all, they don't know who you are either. So isn't it suspicious that someone who doesn't even know who you are wants to get you something? It's obviously with bad intention behind. And here this means that he's saying October girls over every other girl, so basically complimenting her. And this is a typical kind of flattery that groomers use. They build an image of being generous and flattering. And he even says that he'll remember her birthday, furthering the sense of being understood by someone. And she gives him the date of her birthday because he pushed and asked for the exact date, which is once again pushing for her personal information and pushing the line of boundary, because at first a birthday does not seem like a big deal, but he will start asking for more. And he tells her not to be surprised if something were to show up on her birthday. But here is the biggest red flag, because he basically stated that he needs her address now in order to give this generous gift. But because of the fact that he painted himself in such a generous image, she wouldn't want to disappoint him after this. So you could imagine what her reply would be to this. She might even just give him the address, which is absolutely dangerous. And the fact that he pretends that he only just thought of it when actually that was his intention from the start when he asked her when her birthday was. From here, it was not a random question, as he said here. And really, the conversation should have ended here. It should not have progressed, because now she feels the pressure to give him something in return, like her address, because he seems so generous and willing to buy her a gift. And this is basically guilt-tripping her, because if she doesn't, then it seems like she's not being grateful for the fact that he's gonna buy her a gift. Thank you for watching Your DMs Decoded, and see you next time.